Good morning. Want to do a quick video on our latest 2021 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This is the newest model we've done, SVJ, first one, first replica ever built with the SVJ, and it is cool. Obviously done in lime green, beautiful metallics. You can't see them in the camera here, and this camera shows quite a bit lighter than the car actually is. I'm looking at the screen and it's about 2 shades darker than that on the screen. All Chevy underneath, LS1 4L60E automatic. This one has stage 1 cam, long tube headers, cold air intake, all the fun stuff. Kick shift about 500 horsepower. No expense or time spared. All your nice green highlights everywhere. Alright, Sammy, start her up for me, would you? Just to give you an idea what she sounds like. Rev it up. That's good. And open that deck lid for me. So that wing is so cool. 3-part wing that the SVJ has. Of course, it has the right tail lights, so potential across there. Brake light in the wing. Full replica engine package back here. All with lime green hose package. Looks way cool. Alright, you can drop that down. Now, of course, the deck lid's all motorized. Working windows, working wipers, working everything. Ice cold air, all of that cool stuff. Go ahead and pop open the door. Of course, it has the Lambo doors on it. So I wanted to do a quick video on the ground effects on this car and the lighting. You just can't see it, you know, out in the sun during the day, but it has really cool ground effects on it. Alright, well great. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, my phone number's on here. Give me a holler. Thanks. Bye-bye.